Welcome back. This is a quick video on how to do your homework and quizzes from section 8.1.2. I have a lot of emails telling me that you are unable to move the cursor. So here is a quick video on how to do that. So I have a student's quiz, and as you can see, the student had the exact answer, but instead of 8.64, the student has 8.63, and Newton Alta marked it wrong. So I went ahead and graded that student. But if you have a case like this where you're off by one decimal, please make sure you let me know. And when you're emailing me, please specify what quiz, what class, and what section, so it makes my life much more easier. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So here the problem says the standard deviation is 1.2 and the sample size is 29 and sample mean is 8.2 and 95% is the confidence interval. If you're unable to move these sliders, I highly recommend pressing Control and plus. And as you can see, as soon as I press that, the screen kind of expands and I can see it much better. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one more time, Control and plus. And I am going to move the slider. My mean is 8.2, so I'm going to move it to 8.2. Move it all the way back up here, there you go, 8.2. And then my standard deviation is 1.2, so I'm going to move it to the left, 1.2. And my sample size is 29, so I'm going to move it all the way down to 29. Be a little bit patient. You will be able to move the cursors and the sliders, but if you cannot see it, please make sure you click Control, press and hold Control, and press and hold your plus button until you get to the size that you are able to move freely. And again, the confidence interval is 95, so moving my slider from 50, 90, 95. Now let's go down and scroll and see what we have. 7.76 and 8.636, which is 8.4. And again, if you have decimal problems in your quiz or in your test, please make sure you take a look at your quiz and your test once you completed it, and make sure you email me so I can go back and give you the grade. But again, please, if you're emailing me, mention your class, your section, your quiz, and the problem. I had students just emailing me saying, oh, change my quiz grade. I don't know what class you were. I don't know what section you were. I don't know what quiz or topic you're talking about. So please make sure you specify all of that. Your section and your class has to be the subject in your email. So please make sure you do that so I can respond to you all faster. And again, this is a quick tip. You press your control and plus sign both at the same time so your screen expands. I hope this helps.